Bible Study Guide, Day 54, Numbers 1 to 2. The book of Numbers begins with God speaking to Moses in the Tabernacle. He commands Moses to take a census of all the men aged 20 and up among the Israelites. This is necessary to determine how many men are available for military service and to organize them according to their tribes for their journey to the Promised Land. After they're all counted, Judah's tribe is the largest, fulfilling Jacob's blessing from Genesis 49:10, that the scepter would not depart from Judah until Shiloh comes. When it comes to Joseph, the numbers diverge into the lines of his two sons, Ephraim and Manasseh, due to Jacob's adoption of Joseph's sons as his own heirs. Interestingly, the census does not include the Levites, who are set apart as priests and not counted among the fighting men. This highlights the importance of leadership within the community, as well as the separation between spiritual and secular duties. As we continue reading through Numbers, we will see how God uses this census to guide his people and fulfill his promises to them. In chapter 2, God instructs Moses on how the tribes of Israel should be organized as they journey through the wilderness. Each tribe is to camp in a specific location, with the tabernacle situated in the center. The Levites camp in the middle with the tabernacle, and the outer rectangle has 3 tribes on each side, dividing them into 4 groups. The Levites are given a special role and position, being tasked with carrying and caring for the sacred objects within the tabernacle. They are also responsible for setting up and breaking down the tabernacle whenever the Israelites move. The organization of the tribes serves not only a practical purpose, but also symbolizes the importance of order and structure within God's people. It also highlights the roles and responsibilities that each member has in contributing to the community as a whole. As we reflect on these instructions, we can also consider how we are organized within our own communities of faith and how we can work together to serve God's purposes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.